What would you do if you had the ability to reverse time? Never get caught cheating, I mean on test. Use it to get rich in the stock market. How much back can we go? I would become a fortune teller. I would be famous. Do I remember the future when time is reversed? I would beat up my boss every day. Am I also reversing my age? Cause if not, I will eventually become older than my parents. Become a child again? I would not marry this time.
Okay, that's a little too much. I will not ask this time. But can we do this in real life? Is it possible to reverse the time? Welcome back to Thought Control. Well, there can be two theoretical solutions to the question. But as far as we know, they are far from practicality.
Imagine the universe as a recorded cricket match going on your television. Every brain that is watching the game is witnessing this universe.
Your mind is watching, analyzing, concluding, commenting on the match. Now, if someone could reverse the time, it will not be like reversing the direction in which the video is being played alone. You and your mind are part of the universe too.
It will reverse the entire process of the thoughts in your mind too. So you most probably won't even realize that time is running in a reverse direction. This is because you cannot separate your mind from space-time. So reversing time won't work like traveling in the past.
Now let's forget the universe for a while. The problem is more related to the brain because it's our mind witnessing the universe.
Imagine a brain test in the lab which is being shown some events for some duration. Assuming that every state of mind and consciousness is nothing but an arrangement of all the different particles inside the brain. Theoretically, we can keep track of all the particles up to so much certainty that we can retrace and reverse the process. Assuming we have a device which can rearrange each and every particle inside the brain, we can program it to rearrange them in reverse order so that particles spontaneously arrange themselves. This could be called reversing time, even if just in your brain.
But as explained earlier, the brain won't recognize it as nothing is being added to the memory. If anything, memories are getting deleted and the consciousness too has been reversed, but there could be possible solution for this.
We will require a parallel consciousness for this, which would think in reverse. So, at each point, there would be two streams of thoughts that are running in the mind. One with the time, another opposite to the time. So that if we reverse the time, the opposite stream will tune with the direction of time and our consciousness will shift to it.
But is that possible?
There are few problems here. Firstly, we will have to connect another brain to a device which had seen the events, so it can know the reverse event and thus can create reverse thoughts. So the entire reversing process is done by the second brain. It can be done in lab with a pre-recorded video as the event, but in real life, the device would have to look into the future. It would be like traveling to the future, then coming back to the present and work accordingly.
And since according to the theory of relativity, we can travel to the future, no big deal, on paper. But the coming back from the future is where things get tricky.
So far, we don't know how to truly go back in time, even in theory. The second problem is that would parallel consciousness even work? Soon our minds are going to become a cyber biohybrid. As nanotechnology and artificial intelligence are progressing rapidly, perhaps then we can try this concept of parallel consciousness.
But so far, we have only discussed the problem of not realizing the reversal of time. But the main question still remains, how are we going to reverse time in the first place?
Well, for that we will have to understand the fabric of the universe in much more details. Perhaps the universe is like a movie which includes all the scenes together in a different frames. Maybe the universe is nothing but a set of images and our mind is connecting them, seeing them in one direction so that it makes sense. If we can connect a mind towards a different direction, we might be able to see the universe moving in the opposite direction of time.
But here is the thing, time can be reversed in a small space.
Suppose Our purpose is not to reverse time in the entire universe, but in only our surroundings, like Earth. Theoretically, we can rearrange all the particles as they were in previous state in time. But since it would be a non-spontaneous process, it will result in decreased entropy of that space. To compensate for that, we will have to increase the entropy outside that space. But since the entropy of the universe only increases in the forward direction of time, we cannot make this small space as big as the universe itself. The space should be isolated enough so that changes outside don't affect the inside space. Assuming we have enough technology and energy, all we have to do is rearrange the particles to their previous position and we are done.
That is, if we somehow find a way to get past the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, which says that the position and the velocity of an object cannot both be measured exactly at the same time, even in the theory.
Still, in this way, we can recognize the reversal in time-space because the particles of our body are spared, but it will create a vacancy in that space. Because in some time in the past you were not alive, so your particles must be inside someone else's body. Even if you were alive, the particles keep exchanging with surroundings. So if you are going to keep yourself untouched, you will not see the past exactly the way it was.
And even if we could, the question still remains. If the particles are arranged in similar way at different times, is that the same time? If one frame in a movie at the start is exactly the same as the end, are they the same time? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any feedback, please let us know in the comment section below. And do not forget to share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye, hasta la vista, tata. And even if you could, this is nice place here. You can enjoy, it's a beach view. So I thought I should make video on the beach because maybe my viewers will love this place.